Welcome to One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel One Pizza Too Many cooking and unboxing videos. And today I'm dead excited to be bringing you the new Ninja Juicer machine. Now, regular viewers to the channel think you look like you've moved around in the garden for your filming. I have. My plant wall, or the wife's plant wall, is looking really good, but also, more importantly, I have something happening over here related to the Skillcraft pizza factory tour that you can see in the link here. I've got a video half in progress at the minute with where we're at with my new pizza oven. I am just waiting for some flue pipe to arrive from David Skillcraft, and then I can get that video finished and we can get cooking and start using the pizza oven that I've got from Skillcraft. Anyway, back to today's video. We're doing the Ninja Juicer. Okay, so this is the JC100 UK. It's not been out very long at all in the UK, and thanks to my cousin Chris, who has lent me this. He's bought this, he's lent it me to unbox, so cheers, thanks very much. Now, before we get into this, make sure you obviously visit me over on Facebook at Ninja Foodi World Facebook page, and make sure you are subscribing to the channel, hitting that bell for notifications of when I release a new video, and of course hitting that thumbs up if you're enjoying the content and you want to see more. So first things first is it's come in standard Ninja box that we've kind of got used to now on the channel, brown box with Ninja on the front. It does say Shark Ninja Europe Limited, customer PO, item number JC100 UK, how many's in the box? 1, and this is number 1365 out of 1992 batch. They are made in China, like all the Ninja products are, so let's get it open. So first of all, I'm just going to cut the tape nice and carefully to reveal Ninja's usual box in a box trick. So let's carefully unbox this, like so, and there we have it. Okay, so we've come round to the front and it says Ninja cold press juicer, a better way to juice. Cold press technology extracts up to 75% of the fruit. Easy to clean, rinse clean in under 1 minute. 3 times quieter than leading centrifugal juicers, so it is a spinny jobby. Healthy fruit juices, so pure fruit juice without the additives. Nutrient juices, so a mix of nutrient rich fruits and vegetables. Wellness shots, so little shots. A quick dose of vitamins and nutrients. And better juicing, cold press juicer, clearer juice and a vibrant colour versus leading centrifugal juices which produce foam and separate. So as we spin it round, total pulp control, customise your juice with 3 interchangeable pulp filters. So you have low pulp, which is a fine mesh, you have a medium pulp, which is a medium mesh, and a high pulp, which is a more coarse sort of mesh. Brilliant. It does also say that it's dishwasher safe, which is also a winner. Then, so we've got 2 tabs at the front we're going to pull down, lift open, and again this is just telling us about the different pulp filters, and it says tip: depending on the seasonality of your ingredients, you may experience lower juice and pulp yield while using the low pulp filter. If this occurs, we recommend using the medium pulp filter. And for best results, cut ingredients into 5cm pieces, it's about that big. Add each piece gradually and allow time for it to process before adding more. So basically, don't overfill it because it'll get blocked, in a nutshell. So opening the lid, this is how it comes with instruction packet on. So I'm going to open this, and straight away you've got a quick start guide. You've got, as with most Ninja things now, you've got like a little book with recipes and ideas. Yeah, so peel or no peel, tells you if you need to peel your fruit and vegetables or not, tells you about the filters in a bit more detail, and then starts giving you some recipe ideas. And then again we have the instruction book, which is a little bit more detailed, and also is your warranty as well, or how to apply for your extended warranty. So then let's get the bits out. We have a plunger, we have a cleaning brush, we have a measuring jug, and here we have the pulp hopper. We have one filter and another filter, so we've got a fine and a medium filter there. Take off the lid. When I'm wrapping things. Yeah, then we've got a lid. We've got the juice extractor itself, which looks pretty good. Yeah, we'll go into this in a bit more detail in a minute. Then we have the main juice unit itself, or the motor. And then that's it. The box is empty. Okay, so the main unit itself is very simple. It just has a start-stop button and a hold to reverse button. That is it. The juicer attachment then goes on the front, and there is a release button, so it goes on and it then locks anti-clockwise into position. So let's have a look at this. So we have a little bit that says it's dishwasher safe, and we have a reminder, so open anti-clog lever before juicing, close lever once complete, which is this lever here, and it just allows bits to come out whilst you're juicing. What we're going to do, take this off, and then it's dead simple to twist the end cap off, and then you can carefully remove the pulp extractor, like we were showing you earlier, that you've got 1, 2 and 3 different, so you've got fine, medium and coarse. So I'm going to put the medium one back in just to show you. And obviously you've got the worm wheel as well, which does come all the way out, and it looks fairly simple for cleaning. It's the worm wheel, the hopper itself. Put this back in. Okay, then we've got the motor, which locks on, or the bit that goes onto the motor. So this bit goes straight into the machine. And it locks on with a positive lock, so that's good. And it's got a quick release here, so you press it, twist it, and it comes off. Which is very nice indeed. Then, okay, so then we then have the dish that comes underneath, and then we've got the plunger for pushing your fruit pieces in, and it does have a stopper, so you can't push that too far. That's about it. It's nice, compact size. I think it's good. How much would you pay for it? £50? £75? £100? £120? Let me know in the comments. This was £99 on offer on an Amazon Prime deal. So it's not the cheapest juicer about, but it should give good results. So let's get it plugged in and let's hear the machine working. Right, so the juicer is now plugged in. Let's switch it on. Beeps. It's not that loud. I've seen louder juicers. So the worm wheel is working its way round. So the fruit will go into the worm wheel and it will get pushed against that end. So as you can see there, it gets pushed against in there, and that's basically how it gets mashed up, and then all the juice will come out and into the jug, and then at the end all of the bits will then come out. So let's get an apple, let's stick an apple through it, let's see what happens. Okay, so I've got 2 pink lady apples. All I've done is cut them into quarters, take the core out and then chop them up into little chunks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill the hopper up and let's see what happens. Off we go. You can see the juice coming out already. Actually, if I do one piece at a time, I don't even need the pusher to push it down. It's doing it on its own. See the pulp starting to come out of this end, and the pulp's really good for soups, things like that. Looks quite efficient actually. And that's 2 apples done. Let me switch it off, and you can actually reverse, so I can hold it to reverse and it will now reverse as well. So if it gets a load of stuff stuck at that end, go. So yeah, not a bad little nifty machine, I don't think. So then I'm going to close the little flap that lets out the juice, and let's have a look. So we have got about, from 2 apples, we've got about 100 ml of apple juice. Now it does say on the packet low foam. I'd still say that there was quite a bit of foam there, personally. It does look good though. The proof will be in the tasting. So let's have a little. It is really good. Really good. There's no bits whatsoever in that because I've used the fine filter. Then I'm just going to unplug it. And then let's take the end off, and let's have a look at the amount of kind of pulp that's come out of this. So a little bit left in this end, but again very easily rinsable, and it is all dishwasher safe. And we've ended up with the hopper that's not got that much left in it, or not the hopper, the sieve. You can see the fine mesh, and then that's the amount of apple we've got, the skin and the flesh. Right, I'm just giving it a quick clean after that little juicing episode. Taking a couple of minutes to rinse it out under the tap, dry it off with some paper towel, and that was it. Nice and simple, that's what I like. So although there are a lot of bits to it, it does clean quite quick. So let's see if we can put it back together from memory. So that was the hopper. So first things first, the worm wheel in. I'm going to put the big strainer back in because that's what was in the box originally. Then on we go with the end. That locks on, and then the spout for the pulp goes on. Juicer unit clicks on. Hopper plunger, the jug, and the pulp catcher. Nice and simple. I'm going to put the little bit back on just for display purposes, and we've got the 2 extra strainers there and the brush. Dead simple. Now, size, got my trusty tape measure. The size of the actual unit is 28 centimeters high, and it is 36 centimeters including the top of the plunger, and the length up to the end of the spout there is 33 centimeters, including the pot is 42 centimeters, and then the width at the widest point is 17.5 centimeters. So quite compact as juicers go. I think that's not a bad size at all. So there we have it, everyone, the new Ninja juicer. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you have got one of these, what's your favourite thing to juice? Let me know, give me some ideas before I take this back to my cousin at the weekend. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you are heading over to my Facebook page, and obviously making sure you are hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell when I release a new video, and hitting that thumbs up. And don't forget to leave me a comment if it's your first time on the channel. Say hi, I'll be sure to say hi back to you as well. Until next time, everyone, I'll catch you all very soon.
One pizza too many.